Food storage. Proper food storage helps to preserve the quality and nutritional value of the foods you purchase. Additionally, proper food storage can help prevent foodborne illness and caused by harmful bacteria. Use fresh and perishable foods soon after they are harvested or purchased. Signs of spoilage that make food unpalatable but not a bacterial hazard are the unpleasant smell and flavor of fats caused by oxidation and the fermentation of fruit juices due to yeast growth. Introduction. Proper storage means maintaining a clean refrigerator and freezer. Avoid overcrowding the refrigerator. Arrange items so cold air can circulate freely. To reduce dehydration and quality loss, use freezer wrap, freezer quality plastic bags, or aluminum foil over commercial wrap on meat or poultry that will be stored in the freezer for more than 2 months. Foods can be classified into 3 groups. First, perishable foods includes meat, poultry, fish, milk, eggs, and many raw fruits and vegetables. If refrigerated, perishable foods should be used within several days. Second, semi-perishable foods, if properly stored and handled, may remain unspoiled for 6 months to about 1 year. Third, staple or non-perishable foods such as sugar, dried beans, spices, canned goods do not spoil unless they are handled carelessly. These foods will lose quality, however, if stored over a long time, even if stored under ideal conditions. Now, let us study the factors that affect the storage of foods. Freshness of the food when it reaches the grocery store, length of time and the temperature at which it was held before purchase, temperature of your food storage areas, humidity level in your food storage areas, type of storage container or packaging the food is stored, characteristics of the food item. Let us understand the different methods to store food. Fridge storage. Chilling foods help to prevent harmful bacteria multiplying to dangerous level and causing food poisoning. It also slows the natural deterioration of fresh meat, fish, fruits and vegetables and helping them last days longer than they would at room temperature. Whatever fridge you have in your kitchen, storing food properly will help give groceries their longest possible shelf life. There are different divisions in fridge where we can store foods like top shelf where we keep daily products, middle shelf used to keep cooked food, bottom shelf used to keep raw meat, and fish drawer for vegetables, fruits, door for drinks and mustard butter. Use by dates. Foods with best before date should be safe to eat after the best before date, but they may no longer be at their best. These dates refers to safety. Foods can be eaten up to the end of this date but not after even if it looks smells fine. Always follow the storage instructions on package. Famous phrase said by Hudson that food can look and smell fine even after its use by date, but that doesn't mean that it's safe to eat. It could still be contaminated. Reusing bags. Many plastic food containers are designed to use once. With more and more people reusing carrier bags, whether for environmental reason or to avoid paying for a new one, the following tips will help to prevent the bacteria spreading to ready-to-eat food. If you use reusable bags and keep one or two just for use the raw meat and fish, do not use the same bag for ready-to-eat food. Dry storage. The dry storage area is where the stocks of cereal, flour, rice, dried pasta, fruits and vegetables are kept. They do not require temperature control. Food storage area must be clean and well maintained. Foods must be protected from exposure to moisture and direct sunlight. The dry fruit storage area should be appropriately labeled and different food groups stored separately. Now, let us go through the advantages of food storage. Storage of harvested and processed plants and animal food product for distribution to consumer, enabling a better balanced diet throughout the year, reducing kitchen waste by preserving unused or uneaten food for later use, preserving pantry food such as spices or dry ingredients like rice and flour for eventual use in cooking, preparedness for catastrophes, emergency, and period of food scarcity or famine. Now, what are the disadvantages of food storage? Processed foodstuff often lose nutrients. Mild and polished rice result in loss of iron and vitamin B. In white flour, that is maida, there is loss in weight and nutrient. The original taste changes to some extent. Due to the more costly process, the cost of dried food is typically higher than the dehydrated. Canned foods require more space to store same amount of food, shorter shelf life, frequently contains high level of sweetener or sodium. Thank you.